Okay, so what I did was basically I had two pieces of cardboard, right? One of them was not big enough to create a whole one like this, right? So what I did was the both of them, I created two half circles and they were both identical, right? And the way how I did it was I placed something outside of the cardboard, like on the edge, but like it was halfway through it, right? And then I attached a string to it, and then a pencil on the other end, and I just drew it around, right? So that gave me basically a perfect half circle. And I did the same thing with the other one, and then I cut both of them out, right? So after that, I conjoined them to make one big circle. So like I had to tape long ways and short ways, just so it wouldn't go anywhere. And then after that, we already had one straight line, right? And that was the line down the middle because you could tell because it was cut, right? So then we had to find the other line, right? The up and down, I guess you could say, because we already had the side to side. So for the up and down, I got something that was straight, and then I had a right angle thing. I don't know if y'all have that, but I did, so I took advantage of it. So I put that on the flat cardboard, and then I created the 90 degree, right? So then once I found the 90 degree, like, you know, the XY plane, I then found where the 30 degree angle was, which was like right here, and then 60, and I did that all the way around, right? So that so it's equal all around. So after I did that, I created a 3-inch thing in the middle. This is 3 inches all the way around in the middle. And if you want to know, my diameter is 27 inches. Like on flat, it's 27 inches, right? So this is a 3-inch diameter, and I cut it only to the circle, right? Sure, you see the lines in the middle, but that's just pencil. I didn't cut that. So I cut the lines all the way down. It was a total of 12 cuts. So cut lines all the way down in the middle. And then after I did that, I then tried to make it into one of these, but that didn't work. You know why? Because I didn't create space in between each of these, right? So I'm gonna show you. Okay, so these were all attached to these, right? And it was just one thing, right? Still the original cover, still everything. So I didn't know that you had to create space in between it. So like for each one, you still had like that much added onto it, right? So I cut off 1.5 inches off of each one, and it's only one of them. It's only one cut per slice of cardboard. It's not hard. So like I just cut off a piece right here, and then a piece right here, and then a piece right here, and then a piece right here. It's all just one cut of each cardboard. So doing that, there was space in between each one. Now it looked like a flower, kind of. So and then I started to bring it up. You know, I attached one to the other, to the other, to the other. I just went all the way around. I used Scotch tape. Super easy, okay? The only reason why I got this big old thing right now, because I ran out. So, because I messed up like 20 times. So, yeah. So, and then I got the Scotch tape on each one and it formed this. So, and then now I ran out of tape. So, and then I got this big old tape to now, because they weren't perfect cuts. Like on some of them, you know, it was really easy. So I slid through some really quick and it created gaps that were like that big, but big enough to where I didn't like them. So, and then I just put tape on each side. Put tape on each side, right? Just so it would be all smooth. So when I put the Mylar in there, it's not all ugly and all wonky and everything like that. And then, yeah. So I mean, it's not really hard. It's very tedious. So yeah, just have fun. Now I'm gonna try to have fun and put this Mylar in here. If you can hear that, that's my dog. So, yeah. Have fun with it. We don't have to do the equation yet. It'll be fine.